Good day everyone, I am Martin B. Mariano from BTLE IA3. For today, i-discuss ko sa inyo ang about sa cooling system. So, meron dito tayong parts. Ito yung airflow na tinatawag, radiator, ito yung radiator natin, ito yung cup niya, and then ito yung thermostat, and then ito yung pump. And then, ito yung fan, ito yung fan na umiikot habang umiikot na nagsasirculate siya. When the engine is started, the water pump connected to it also begins the pump and coolant around the edge cylinder fluid. Radiator tank is into coolant pages. The flow of the coolant is from the lower tank to engine block. Then the cylinder head finally towards the outlet for the radiator. The coolant begins to absorb the heat produced by the combustion process and the flow towards the radiator inlet. However, the thermostat, thermostat restrict the coolant to flow towards the radiator into the temperature of the coolant is not raised above the engine operating temperature, which usually 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. The heat core in mini radiator, which is used as a heat exchange to transfer the heat from the coolant to the air that flows. Inside the passenger compartment, the thermostat on the other end acts as a radiating valve to control the coolant flow into the radiator and maintain the engine temperature within optimum range. When the coolant passing through the thermostat is at here or here temperature, usually 180 Fahrenheit Celsius. The wax begins. Ito yung sinabi ko na fan kanina. So, fan is actuated by thermostatic switch. Once a coolant flow outside the thermostat, the coolant enters the radiator upper tank through the upper radiator hose. But high temperatures can build up pressure, blocking it. To prevent this, a pressure regulating valve is provided into upper tank. As the coolant flows downwards, it lost heat to air passing through the flat tubes